Music. Today we are comparing the most famous coffee brands in the world to see which of them will make the better rub. Catch your votes in the comments and get comfy because I'm about to blow your mind. Rubs are an essential part of cooking, but adding coffee to it not only creates those beautiful colors, but it also adds a little bit of that coffee aroma into it that makes everybody ask for more. Now let me introduce you to the competitors in this video. What happened? But before that, let's see what meat we have here. Today we will be cooking this nice looking ribeye roast, and because I don't want any complaints, we will cut it into steaks. Thick, nice, juicy, beautiful steaks. And what do I think is the best thickness for the steak? Thanks for asking. My favorite steak will always be about 1.5 inches thick and will have as much marbling as I can afford. That will always be the limiting part. And now, give me some drums. I introduce to you the competitors. We need to spend some money on those sound effects, man. In the blue corner, we have the famous and always welcome Starbucks coffee. Roasted to perfection and grounded to your likeness, this coffee has been the cause of more than one coffee addiction in the world. And in the red corner, we have the mystical and aromatic Dunkin coffee. This is considered to be the perfect combination for all donuts of all kinds and classes. And to make it even better, I'm going to create the rub first, then split it in two and add the coffee to it. Like that, we have the same amount of spices on both of them, and we can get rid of that argument from the beginning. This rub will be the copy of a video we made about 2 years ago. The only real difference will be the coffee, as we use Cuban coffee on that test. And the coffees we are doing today is something that should be more available for all of you guys. For this rub, we will need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. But remember that I'm leaving a list of all the ingredients in the description of the video so you don't have to write it down. And while the rub is made, I'm gonna share a few fun facts with you. Starbucks sales account for 57% of the total coffee market and almost 2/3 of all the coffee sold in the US. And in the other side we had Dunkin's, which is the most fierce and strong competitor for Starbucks. And remember that in 2018 Dunkin' Donuts changed their name to just Dunkin's. And now with all mixed up, it's time to add it to the steaks. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to whack that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And now, like always, we will allow the steaks to rest for a little bit while we get the grill ready, about 30 minutes. With the grill ready, I will add some wood to the coals and set the steaks to cook in the cool zone of the grill. This method is called reverse sear, and the idea is to cook the steaks before searing them, kind of like what we do with Sous Vide. Miss Ninja, here we have our test and it's looking amazing. Look at the colors on that thing, man.
Beautiful, but did you see my drummer skills?
Yeah, we need to buy some sound effects, man. This is killing us here.
Did you see it, guys?
Well, guys, let me tell you, the steak look amazing. It's a beautiful medium rare inside. The color is black outside. The smell is crazy good. And as you can see, we have number A and number B. Number A, number B, okay? Starbucks, Dunkin. And it's time for us to give it a try and see what's up, man, because this is looking amazing. I haven't tried.
Let's go.
Let's go for it, Miss Ninja. All right, Miss Ninja. There you have your little piece. I got my little piece. Let's go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my God.
Oh, wow. You okay? Are you okay, honey?
Oh, my God. This thing hurt my feelings. Let me try to explain to you what's going on in here, all right? We have that amazing flavor from the wood. That is really good and really intense and beautiful. And then we have
the charcoal.
The charcoal flavor from the outside. You can see that it's black. It cooked really well. The syrup was amazing. This is crazy. And then you have those little tones of flavor from the rub.
Yep.
This is crazy. I don't even know how to put it. And this is a choice. This is not prime. This is a choice, a good choice. But it's choice.
Wow.
It's amazing.
So let's go with number B.
Woo, let's go for number B.
Let's go. Cut me a little piece.
Wow. All right, let's go for number B.
Number B.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Wow. This is really good.
Wow, guys. Number B is crazy. It has the same wood flavor.
It does.
But it's a little bit less salty than the other one. At the same time, you feel the spices even better. It's not the spices, the spices. You feel the spices even better. I don't even know, I'm not a food describer or something like that, guys. This is blowing my mind. Both of them are crazy good. And this thing is available everywhere. Please try it. You are going to love this thing.
Oh,
it's crazy good.
So this is?
Well, for me, I think both of them are delicious, brother.
And sister Ninja
Guys,
approved.
this is crazy good. You have to give it a try. The flavors, the tones on the flavors. Just remember to put a little bit of wood in that charcoal. And guys, you're in for a treat. This is amazing. Now, let me tell you something. A little bit of the bad news that I have for you.
What do you mean bad news?
A little bit, just a little bit. Okay, we don't have a giveaway this week because I'm working on it right now. I have a few friends that I contact them. They haven't get back to me. Next week, we're going to have the new giveaway. That is going to be awesome. You guys are going to love it. So, remember, all you have to do is go to the website,
right here,
saltydetails.tv, and subscribe to the newsletters. You're not going to receive any Nigerian princesses letters from me, none of those things. All you're going to receive is me letting you know that new videos online and things like that. That's pretty much it. And now, let me ask you something.
What?
Did we make you hungry?
Oh, did we make you hungry?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with a like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to our channel, share with your friends and family. And don't forget to share these videos on your social network because that helps us a lot. I'm pretty sure you're going to have some comments and some things to say. Put it down there in the comments. That's what it is for. And now, I have to let you go, guys, because we have to eat this thing.
I'm hungry.
Even Georgie's down there driving me crazy. He's scratching all my legs and all that stuff. So, remember that I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next
one. Georgie! Leave me alone, bro.